So, about a year ago, I was at this estate sale with my mom, and I found this. It's an old Super 8 camera. So, I didn't think that you could actually use these cameras because I didn't think there was any film left to put in it, and if it was, I figured it would be like way overpriced. But I saw a video from the DSLR guy about how to use these cameras, so I figured I have it, I might as well try, because I love the look of the old Super 8 cameras, or even just old cameras in general. Just the saturation of it, the graininess, I really love. But there's just one thing. So I don't know if this camera works. I don't know if the motor in it works. So for all I know, I can get all this stuff ready and it should be perfectly prepared, but it's just that the motor of it doesn't work. So it's completely possible that this is just gonna end. So we'll just have to see. So, with that being said, let's try to actually get this thing to roll. So first, I'm going to look at the instruction manual, because I don't really know how this works yet. There's a lot of really gross stuff in here. Wait, you need to see this. Like, what is that? That's just gross. This is for some kind of projector which the person had. There we go. Wait. No, that's the projector. Yes, that's the camera. I mean, look at that. That's just gross. Okay. Okay. I think I get the idea of what I should check first. So from what I remember from the DSLR guy, you have to make sure that the motor works. A motor runs on power. I didn't know how to get power into this, but from looking at this, it has battery pack, which it says is in the handle, which is kind of cool. I'm going to try and open it, so I'm going to change the setup real quick. From the instructions, it said to access the battery pack. Okay, there we go. Okay, that is the problem. The batteries seem to have exploded. We'll see if it has ruined any part of the camera, but I should probably try and clean this stuff up. Okay, so this looks pretty bad. Let me get my trash. There. So I got some gloves on, because everything's better with gloves. So I'm gonna need to try to get some of this corrosion off. Probably some kind of sandpaper or something for that. And hopefully it didn't damage in here too much, so it's actually usable.
Even for you, that's all that I do.
So, what I've just done is, as you saw, I went to the garage and I cleaned it out with some sort of like sandpaper stuff, but we just used some CLR and tried to get the inside of it. We did that here and it looks really good, if you can see. And I just need to get the CLR out by just like damp paper towel. So shoot it down like this. Otherwise that liquid, whatever that was, is gonna come out. I think I almost just screwed it up.
Even for you, breathing for you, all that I do.
I'm just gonna let this dry. So this is kind of the moment of truth. We're gonna see if this actually works. I've cleaned the inside, got all the stuff out as much as I can. Hopefully that will be enough, unless the motor itself is actually broken, unless there are like greater issues than we know of. Hopefully not, but we'll have to see. Let's open this up. Let's see. This is pretty much all set. Okay, well, let me make sure this is tight enough. Okay. Almost set. Here it goes. Okay. So I'm gonna check the manual to see if there's anything helpful in there. Okay, nothing's happened. It's supposed to light up, or something, but it's just not doing much. So I'm gonna keep on reading the instructions just to see if I'm doing something wrong, but come on. No, that's not doing anything. Well, we knew this was a possibility.